Chris, PnwRcMadness. Today guys, we got the Traxxas MAXX and the stock TQI radio. And what we're going to do here today guys on this video is I'm going to show you how to set the endpoint adjustment, which is exactly how it sounds. It's going to be the end point of where your wheels stop. I'm going to show you how to set the endpoint adjustment on the servo right here on your TQI radio. Now, a quick note, this won't work with just the regular TQ. It has to be the TQI. So let's go ahead and jump right in and I'll show you the steps. That way you can program your servo and you won't burn it up. All right, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna plug in your truck, turn on your radio, make sure your light is green, make sure you got full batteries, turn on the truck. All right, so this is gonna be kind of noisy because I have this loud fan. That's the Crazy Pony fan. I've done a video on that before. But anyway, so back to endpoint adjustment. What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna hold down the menu button for 3 seconds till it blinks. Okay. Then you're gonna wanna press the menu button again till it blinks. Okay. Then you're gonna wanna press the set button till it blinks. Press the set button again, and it's gonna blink red. Then you're gonna press the menu button. It's gonna blink twice. Then you're gonna press it again, and it's gonna blink 3 times, okay? So we got 3 blinking red LEDs. Now what you're gonna do is you're going to turn which direction you wanna go. Okay, so we got the wheels turned, and this is how you're setting the endpoint adjustments, okay? So you're not straining the servo. So turn the wheels to where you want them. Hold down the set button. It blinks green. Okay, now you can do the left side. Hold down the set button. Blinks green. Still blinking 3 green, or 3 red. Hold down menu. Solid green, you're set. Guys, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe, leave me a comment below. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.